All right, here's what the metal chicken feeder looks like once it's actually put together. Holds quite a bit of food. We actually used most of this bag. There's only a little bit left in there. Holds quite a bit of food, and you can open and close these heads if you want to close off some of them. We left 2 of them open. So yeah, really good solution. Sturdy, waterproof chicken feeder. Go ahead and secure this back on. And so obviously this is our first day trying this, but so far I'm really happy with this compared to our old solution, which was like plastic. The chickens had like scratched the lid and broke the lid, and so having a metal option is really nice to have. So I hope this helps. And also it does come with this stand so that it's never fully sitting on the ground itself.
Here's our honest thoughts on this metal chicken feeder. So we had a plastic one before. It basically got absolutely shredded by dogs that wanted to get into it, and chickens also that were trying to get into the feeder. So this one is metal. It's got a solid, sturdy lid, and here's the assembly process. And obviously this is a bit sped up. It took us probably 45 minutes with both of us working on it, but it has very, very clear instructions. We put together a lot of different chicken accessories, outdoor accessories, stuff like that. Usually the instructions aren't very clear. We kind of have to problem solve and figure it out ourselves, but this one's super simple. So we're going to put this stand together first. That's the black stand that it's sitting on so that it never is on the ground. It holds a lot of food. We used most of that bag of food there. And so then you're going to start assembling the bottom, sides, and top. Now, again, it's all just basic screws that they provide, obviously, and overall, I would say it's sturdy, but you will notice that the screws could have been longer. Like, honestly, I feel like there maybe should have been something to secure it on the other side, or something that would extend the screw out a little bit further. But once you get it all put together, it does end up being a very sturdy solution. And overall, like I said, it only took us about 30 minutes to put it all together. Just be careful. Some of the edges are a little bit sharp, and otherwise, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.